Lesson 4. Sound of vowel E. Say aloud the sound E as in the following: hen, eagle, eye, bell, leg, neck, pen, ten. Let's learn some more E sound words. E, N, N. Men, pen, yen. Hen, den, ten. Ed, ed. Red, wed, fed. Bed, led, shed. Et, et. Pet, let, get. Net, jet, vet. Eg, egg. Leg, peg, egg. Teg, beg, keg. Read and speak loudly. Pet, vet, net, jet. Den, zen, hen, ten. Nest, rest, vest, best. Tent, dent, scent, rent. Neck, beck, peck, deck. Ben, hen, and pen. Let us read. Ben has a pet. It is a cat. The cat fell in the well. It got wet. This is a hen. The hen is white. It has 10 eggs. The hen is on the bed. I have pens. Pens are 10. I like pens.